Alright, working on a 22 CRV here today, and this car has been in a small fender bender here. Now, insurance approved the strut replacement, so we're going to go ahead and do that. They didn't see this inner tie rod is extremely bent, so we added that to the claim. They only want to do what's visibly damaged. Now, I recommended this outer tie rod because obviously this took an impact before this, as well as the hub and bearing, because again, that took the impact before this did, but they denied both because they can't visibly see damage. So we're going to go ahead and replace these parts today. We're going to throw on the alignment rack, see where we're at, and go from there if needed. All right, so we have our new strut on here. We have our new inner tie rod. Now, when I went to go remove the strut, obviously it fought me because it was bent. Although when I installed the new strut, it also fought me because I believe where the strut slides into right here, this cavity is also bent. It looks like it still has some camber. So we are going to align it at this point so we can have proof for the insurance, because that's what they want to see, and proceed from there. So onto the rack. All right, so we are on the rack now. And surprise, surprise, we're out of range here. Now, they do have some adjustable camber, although it'll be lucky if we get about half a degree and it still won't put it in range. So we are calling the insurance company back in here, and hopefully they can approve this knuckle here that should have been recommended and installed from the get. But now, instead of having some overlapping time, they're going to have to pay me full time for the knuckle and to get this thing realigned. So let's go ahead and call that insurance company and see what they want to do from here. All right, so insurance approved a new knuckle hub and bearing, so we can see it installed here. Now, I knew the knuckle was bent right away, even for the alignment, because I had a hard time putting the new strut into the old knuckle. So now this one went in smoothly like it should, so we are all good here. And this is all the stuff we've replaced already. So we're going to put this car back on the rack and see if finally we are within spec with the camber. All right, camber looking way, way better now. I'm gonna find out. All right, so we can see new knuckle, new struts, new inner tie rod, not max adjusted. We'll clean that grease up a little bit now that we're all done here. This side, everything is the original, so it doesn't get any closer than that. This is what it should look like when it's done. So again, everything came out good here. Customer will be happy. Insurance did the right thing, and we move on to the next car.